Sisters? Yeah,
Sisters?
Sisters. That's what they're on the thing. Call them sisters.
All right. See what goes on over there on the pink bench, magenta, whatever color it is. 3 on 3. Get into it, girls. Oh yeah, we got them all. Which way are we going? We're going that way.
Yeah, let it stay over there. Yeah, that works. I mean, you do you.
It's like Eden here.
There you go.
Getting it for Veronica, but it's deflected and stolen. Going the other way, Bree couldn't stab it. Veronica's going in. Checking there. Although shot right off, good save. Bree now waiting for help. Gets it to Eden. Oh, I forgot to start the clock. I'll start it next minute. That's not zoomed in enough, is it? Here's Eden's shot. Glove save. Veronica trying to hammer it in. No dice. Back the other way. Bree checking. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Oh, that one is in. All right, they gotta get going the other way. That shot's too high.
Arm down, Ski.
Oh, dropped it, but no pickup. Whack going the other way now. With room.
That's a hustle. Nice.
They stop it.
Can you
A
call it?
shot. Gonna make a save. Up here for Maddie. Can't touch it, 2-line pass. Sista's back on it. Coming the other way, 10 seconds. Pink, pick it up. Sass out of the zone. Race is on. Regan's there first. Gets it, try to get it to Tessa here. Tessa not able to hang on to it. She's got it now. This is Eden. Dropping for Regan here. Regan shot, glove down. Still trying to pick it up. Regan again. Eden shot a little wide. Black picking it up. Who are we missing? We're missing one.
Cam.
Oh, Cam's not here. Who never came? Oh, no, Darren. What is Darren's story? 1 second, all right. Veronica looks to be first on. Misses. Veronica turning around on forehand, no dice. Bree behind her. Bree now. Bree looking to shoot, no lane. With Taylor. Over to Taylor. Taylor can't stab. So the sister's going the other way. So I could give him one. Veronica picking this up.
Do you play catch?
Go, Bree, go. Black with room, but couldn't stab. So I'm going to try and bounce it out. Who is first? Maddie's coming. She's got some speed. And she gets checked. Black, pick it up. That was checking. Picks it up for Maddie. Going in hard together. No shot. Sista's the other way. With a huge bench. Look at the difference in bench size. Goes wide. Reflected wide, anyways. Oh, Regan's on the. Oh, they changed. I didn't even notice. Okay, well, Black is looking to shoot. Pink pick it up, but they get checked. They're making the save.
Yeah.
Regan having trouble with it. Oh boy, passes it to Black.
Every time, yeah.
Let's see who's coming. Eden. So I don't know which one's going in.
Should be 2 penalty shots.
All right. All right, well. Penalty shot for white, pink. Eden drawing. Oh, just enough blocker. They're arguing that it shouldn't have been a goalie ring, it should have been pink. Tessa there in trouble. Bree protecting with Eden there. Dropping. Getting it up for Bree. Nobody with her. Eden banging off a bit here. 5 seconds. Lost the stick. So Taylor's first out on it. Nice skating she has. Veronica. Back to Taylor. Taylor now looking to shoot. No shot there. Nothing. There's Veronica. She tries a short angle shot. Veronica with some speed to check. Good job. Good back checking. Okay, Maddie. On the boards for Taylor. Taylor, her shot scooped up. Okay, Ella first out. Oh, now scooped up. Regan trying to steal, no dice. Ella gets in there. Getting somebody to get back. Somebody's got to get back.
Yeah.
Regan there. She was able to get it.
Yeah.
The boards here to Eden. Over for Ella now. Ella. Her shot on the crossbar. Regan now. Her shot too high. Not sure. Somebody must have been in the crease, I suppose. Ella checking. 2 seconds. There's the whistle. And who gets out? Bree's got some speed. Up for Taylor. With trouble. She loses it. Block on it. But Tessa now. Back to Taylor. Bouncing around. Bree here. Coming in. All right, Tessa now. Can she get a shot? Yes, but there it is. Bree. Wow, coming the other way. Sisters. I think they're sisters. I haven't heard them say that. Tessa gets it up. Gets it to Bree. Buzzer goes. Black's first out. Maddie here though. Black trying, Maddie trying to stab that baby. That's in the net. All right, let's go the other way. That back. No wasting time. Eden here. Veronica. Eden. It's checked. No, Black with speed. Eden tearing it. That shot, blocker and on the crossbar. Number 9, that one goes wide. Black's getting there first, of course, from their side. Regan protecting. That shot is blocked. Regan pushing her way in. Maybe a bit of a trip she got away with. I don't know. That shot on the crossbar behind Jenna. Another shot coming to Jenna Savey. Again across. Now Tessa under duress. Boy, having trouble getting it out. 10 seconds left. Jenna not seem to make anything happen. Bouncing back. All right, who's coming first? Black's got time. Good job. Good job, Bree. Bree pumps it up and we're across the blue line. Good checking. Eden. Oh, it gets underneath Jenna. All right, let's go. Bree. Eden. Going deep. Black picks up here. Bounce it around. Eden able to grab. Black able to pick that up and make the save. Here's Jenna and Tessa now. Trouble. Getting it for Taylor. Taylor up for Veronica. With trouble. Black take possession. With a step on the D. Taylor now. Veronica. Taylor doing a good job of keeping that in this zone. We need a goalie ring. No time really. Gonna be a change here. Eden first in. Getting it to Regan. Regan shot, save made. Going in is Eden. Let the sisters have it. And tracking. Bree here. Eden. Regan. Dropping for Eden. Eden's shot deflected wide. Sista's picking it up and coming out. Regan stealing. Bit of time to Eden here. Her shot score. Okay, well, I guess the girls have to wait. Goes right through. But Maddie on there. Check. Black still with it. Stolen. No. Tried to make a pass there. And it's bouncing around. Just for bouncing around Taylor, Tessa, shot save made. Taylor with it. Okay, Eden, her shot over the net. That's a hard shot to make. Ella here. Huh, that looked like two. I didn't get it on the camera. Ooh, too much. Now we're fighting. Ooh, knocked over. It's Bree. Save made. Bree there. Getting it for Ella. 10 seconds, they can make something happen. Here's Eden. Eden gets checked. 3 seconds. Good hustle, Taylor. Regan, just out of her reach. Under some pressure. Couldn't keep it. Black in. Bring the net. Oh, good job, man. Good save. No breaking through. No. I don't know how they did that. Taylor loses her footing. Now here's Tessa. 2 seconds, can't get a good shot off. Maddie chasing it. Veronica can't get it. And that finds the back of the net. Okay, Veronica. Ella. Veronica. Can she shoot? A little too high. Backhand. Where is this kid? All right, all the way up. Maddie. Maddie wins that little battle. Or not. Uh-oh. They're a little late on the old doors. They've made. Uh-oh. Nice save. Here, girls. Let's get back together here. Stuck in the equipment. They are on the boards up for Eden. Couldn't reach it. Oh, sorry, it's not in the view. Shot saved. Bad rebound. All right, let's go up for Eden. Oh, that's the Tessa hightailing it. Whoops. Okay, the other way. Stolen here, Maddie. Oh, is it gonna get stolen the other way? I call a body, I think. Against black or what? I don't know what for though. What was that penalty for? Anyone know? Oh yeah. I don't know. Against which? Who drew it? They don't even know which one drew it. Nobody knows. Oh, I got to pause here. Oh, what a glove!
No, it didn't. It came off her shoulder. But then it hits the net after it goes nuts. It's our ring.
It should be a pink ring, you'd think.
Yes, true story.
Well, black faster. Oh boy. It's wide, that shot. Black still with it.
Yeah, there's something.
Okay, pink in the crease, so they're going to give it to the other team. That goes high, that shot. Eden. Here's Bree. Eden. A few seconds here to make something happen. No shot though. Bree grabs it. Oh, that's kind of a. And there's a hook too, Maddie. Or no, Tessa. Tessa wins it. Is that Tessa? I think so, yep. Oh, ultimately loses it though. It's in the back of the net. Veronica now. Gets in. Oop. Black still with it. In front. Oh, easily. Taylor is going to be first on. Who can she pass to? Bree. No, just deflected wide. Bree getting it to Eden. Dropping for Bree. Bree to Eden. Eden shot. Oh, save. That was a tricky save to make. Sure looked good from here. Oh, stolen by Bree. Eden couldn't reach it. Okay, who's got it? Taylor here. Loses her footing. Looks like enough time to make a shot, but nope. Regan looks to be first on that. Up for Veronica. Veronica now. Maddie. Maddie's shot from afar. It goes wide. Deflected. Regan's shot can't get through, but Maddie gets an opportunity. Bounces in. Bounces around the goalie and in. Not shot from afar. Easily saved. I think it's easy, but goalies might not agree. Veronica here. Regan getting a step on. Coming in, running out of time in the period. Her shot on the goalie. Just about there. Just about made it on the rebound.
I don't blame the goals on him. I thought the one was his first. There's no play outstanding, but he didn't play horrible. I wouldn't, but he didn't steal the game. No.
Yeah, now there's going to be 6. 2 lines. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, it was 2-2.
That's right.
And they took over the third.
Right.
They said that Green was Connor walked in or undressed them.
It was pretty close for Connor
walked in?
Yeah, you were there. That's right. Yeah.
That would have been GSA, so that's 4 cents of that.
Okay, we got one. Still missing one. Taylor. Was that Regan? This one's Taylor. Is Regan went with her or what?
Regan went first.
I'm saying he wants to get home.
I guess she has to pee more.
What if he knows the lead? That's pretty good, pretty intense.
Put your helmet on.
That's a pretty quick save.
Helmet on.
Wow, that's pretty darn quick.
We need earpiece. Look, he's saying he's gone. He's good. Really? My friend is Stetson.
Looks pretty fine to me.
You might as well keep consistent, right?
And now she's going to give her a reason. Hey, no, that's what we were told to do.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. Okay, Sista's taking it first. Sista's playing with it here. Back to center, Regan. Maddie picking it up. Over in for Taylor, but she couldn't get to it. That's going deep. Goalie's on it. Looking for somebody to toss to Taylor. Oh, but Black pick it up. Down here. Taylor. More troubles. Dude, it's fired down the ice. Shot on goal. Black win that battle. Oh, rings around the net. Oh. Bree now. Okay, back to Eden. And oh, Tessa couldn't pick it up. Black with some room, but couldn't reach it. Coming up, Eden. Firing it into the neutral ice, but 3 seconds left. Ended up being in the wrong spot. And Veronica's got some speed here. Oh, Ella missed it, but she can't touch it. Okay, here we go. Back to Taylor. Like the Jets never taking the shot. Never taking the shot that's there. That's the thing, the Jets, they need to shoot more and just get down. It's easy for me to say. Black's shot too high onto the glass. Veronica checking. Drop. Oh, that's just wide. Veronica now fires it down. I don't know why they're not moving. Oh, it's 2 lines. She can't touch it. Regan steals. Oh, but she rings it on the post. Another shot that goes wide. Natty shot's deflected. Now Eden here has another chance. It's blocked. Sisters now. Natty chasing. Eden protecting. Black able to pick it back up in the confusion. And saving. That's going to be 2 lines. She touches it. At least they can get it now. Though Bree go. Bree's got an opportunity. Oh, ringed it on the post. Had to be like a quarter of an inch from a goal. Oh, stolen. Ella. Under pressure. Oh, but she gets checked. Oh, and Jenna saves it. Okay. Ella, well, I don't have her in the view. Okay, Bree. Oh, check. That's it. Taylor with a chance. Oh, Tina is amazing. Saving everything. Black with another shot and sinking it. All right, Veronica's coming out with it. Maddie. Back to Veronica. Veronica. Trying to squeeze it between the legs of a player. Black trying to make their way out. And they put it into their bench. This girl's got a chance. Save bounced over the net. Regan sticking her stick, but Black recovered. Saved. Gets it to Eden. Back to Regan. No, Taylor or Bree's got to grab it. There's your opportunity. Save made. Regan stealing. Nina saving. Bree. Okay, who's here first? Tessa coming hard. Oh, shot. It's squeezed. Who do we got here? Tessa, Maddie, Taylor. Here's Taylor. It's sussy. Tina saving. Maddie picking it up. Tessa deep. Deflected into the corner. Tessa. Tessa, can she shoot? Tina saves. Maddie there, everyone fighting for it. Goalie ring. Eden fighting for that too. Oh, a bit of a hook. Are you going to get away with that? You do. I guess maybe it's not a hook since it's pulling the stick up. I don't know. Regan gets it to Veronica. Veronica to E. Oh, no, intercepted. Save made. Up to Eden. Oh boy, she can't touch it. Uh-oh. Black picking up. No, Eden. Nope, nobody. Okay, who's here? Bree. Up the boards here to Taylor. Black, pick it up. She's okay. Got toppled on the post. Taylor looking a little bit slow. All right, let's go the other way. Okay, we're now 2 seconds here. Tessa, first out. Picks it up. That's a hook for sure. That's a hook for sure. That's a delayed on a delayed penalty. They get a goal. Oh, bouncing around, right away. Ouch. Block with some time. Eden's looking to save it. I'm gonna get the blocker on that. Good job. Oh, you're amazing.
Dave, get the ice pack, son. Dave, get the ice pack, son. How's the body check? Don't call him.
Tessa, get off!
Oh, the horn didn't go off. I don't know what's going on here now. I don't know. I didn't hear the horn go, so I don't know. Oh, she pulled into the crease. Oh, okay. It's a penalty shot for that?
Guys,
Nobody knows what the penalty is, or?
Well, it's us. Go, go!
All right, well, I don't know what's going on. Take the shot.
Now they get a penalty shot.
and one gets and one gets his penalty. Oh, we'll do it the other way. All right. I don't know. It's all fun. I think she's explaining she made a mistake. Good thing Taylor didn't score. Ouch. Is that 2 lines? Nope. Oh, jeez. Oh, Brie, I hope you're all right. Yikes. Back for Taylor. Up boards, but that's 2 lines. Yeah, that could have been nasty. Okay, well, that's making a way in.
Nobody knows. It's okay. What?
Okay, got a good pass off here. Here's Veronica's shot. Boy, she's had a lot of goals tonight. That shot well over the net. Maddie no. I don't know what that was. I think she thought that maybe she thought the timer was going to go off.
3, 2.
And that's going in deep. Taylor. Yes. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Isn't that a trip? Ouch. Oh, there's Sussy, all right. Bree gets a shot, and it gets saved. Here's Regan. 8 seconds, 7-6. She gets toppled. Taylor steals. Okay, who's coming out first? Ella. And she gets it. Drop pass. Eden stick there in the way of that pass. In deep. Oh, hit the ref's skate. Ella getting there first. Feeding Eden. Look for 5-0, couldn't get it through. Oh, top. I don't think they got 2 seconds. They do have enough time. Okay, who's coming out first? Bree. I will imagine these girls are pretty gassed. Go, Veronica.
That's it, Ronnie. Come on. I want to see.
Oh, second. Veronica's still with it. Man, she's got jam. Bree! Oh, trip. She stayed on her feet though. All right, Black with it. Saving it. Saving it. Bouncing around. Leading, winning. Again, back to Eden. Up for Tessa. Tessa. Maddie. Can't stab it. She's got it now. Coming in. Glove safe. Tessa's taking that. There's Maddie. How much time? Her shot is saved. Here come the girls out of the event. Where's that ring? Far side corner now. Save. There's Bree fighting for it. Nope. Whack, pick it up. Noah. He gets checked. Floppy, floppy. Punch it up, punch it up.
Punch it properly.
Okay, I guess somebody back in the is in the crease. All right, 3 seconds. Taylor, get it going. Feed clip. Oh, just wide. Veronica still. Oh, it's a little wide. Oh, I think he might have carried that over, but we're going to let that go. Veronica's blocker save. Another shot, another save. Regan here. Maddie. Oh, that didn't work out. Maddie to Regan. Regan here has Bree. Bree off the boards. No shot there. Regan now. Her shot saved. Gone deep. Taylor hightailing it. Oh, good save, good save. Holding him. That bounces behind the net. Taylor She gets double teamed. Now that makes its way out. Two of them here, Tessa and Ella. Oh, that went in. Good job, Tessa. Girls. Tessa now. 4 seconds left in the shift. Who's coming first? Looks like black. Behind the net, Jenna puts it. Eden with a chance. Her shot. Tina gets enough of that to save it. Picking that up, Eden now. Nobody with her though. Oh boy. No gas. Not a gas. Oh, Maddie's got gas. Trying to get that out, but no dice. Taylor. Oh boy, 2, 3 on. Wait, that was pretty nice playing on this guy's part. Trouble there. Veronica trying to pick it up, but Lou's coming through, black got a oh on that. Oh boy, oh ouch. I hate seeing that. Okay, here's Breeze. Ella coming. Tessa here now. Last shift. Breaking through. Apparently Bree was in the crease, so it'll be goalie ring. Okay, where is it? Black has a step on it. Ah, it gets deflected wide by Jenna. Oh, that one went in though. That's it. Woo! All for good fun. Good to watch. Oh, it's a rose game right there. A rose game. I guess it's going to be the sisters get the roses. all get roses. That's awesome. Ouch! Oh, I missed her doing this. What? That's crazy. I didn't get it on camera. Well, I didn't think she was going to keep going.
You're fired until the next game.
Do it again. Go and get it.
Well, that's it for 3 on 3.
That's it until Monday.
Yeah. And then we see you guys on. I see you guys Friday.
Do we see you Friday?
See you guys Friday.
We'll probably